Here we are in Sylvie's room. It says her name right there, her wall hanging. And Sylvie is hanging out in her big girl bed. Say hi, Sylvie. Sylvie. She has the hiccups. Sylvie, look at Mama. Let's turn your head, big girl. This is Mom's first attempt at a video. Sylvie, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Hi, big girl. What are you doing in your bed? Say hi to Hiccups. I have the hiccups and I don't like them. I am so mad. Sylvie. Oh. Sylvie Grace. See, Sylvie Grace has a beautiful face. Look at Mama. Sylvie. Oh goodness, you're so strong. Say, I weigh 5 pounds and 9 ounces now. I'm a growing baby. This is the first time she's ever laid in her crib. Say, I like to sleep with Mommy and Daddy. I'll sleep in here one day, but I'm not ready yet. Sylvie. I have the hiccups because I just ate a big huge breakfast, huh? Big huge breakfast. Look at that dimple in your chin, just like your daddy. Sweet girl. What are we gonna do today, Sylvie? Are we gonna go on a walk? Are you trying to roll over? Are you trying to roll over, big girl? Say, I think I'm a full-term baby. I think I am. Say, I may be small, but I sure am strong. Oh, bless you. Sneezes and hiccups, oh my. Let's look at your sweet little hands. Can Mama see your hands? Look at the hands. Show Mama the hands. Oh, that's blurry. So we don't like that. We'll have to get Daddy to help us with this. Are you pulling your hair? Don't pull all that beautiful hair. Sylvie. Sylvie. Look this way. Let Mama see you. Let Mama see you. Come here. this way. Alright. So I gotta go get dressed. It's almost time for my morning nap.